Hi folks, Rick Wedell here. I'm the Chief Investment Officer at RFG Advisory. Thought we'd come to you today with a brief market update, kind of let you know what's going on out there. S&P 500 right at about 5,600, which is a level that we have been kind of bouncing around for a little while now. Which isn't to say that we haven't seen a little bit of volatility recently. Over the past 2 weeks, we saw sort of a 4% drop in the market 2 weeks ago. Followed by last week, one of the strongest weeks of the year, with a 4% increase in the market to get us right back to around where we started. With the economy and the market very focused on this sort of narrative of, is the Fed going to be able to nail the soft landing? It seems pretty clear based on the movement of the market with respect to the various economic data points that are out there, that the market is no longer concerned about inflation. But rather is now concerned about, okay, how does the Fed gradually reduce that short-term interest rate, add a little stimulus back into the economy, and make sure that it does so in a way where consumers continue to spend and we don't wind up with a recession. Once again, that idea of being able to cool off, go through an interest rate hiking cycle without creating a recession, referred to as a soft landing, which is what everybody's hoping for. We got some good news on that last week. Consumer confidence numbers coming out at the highest level since April. That helped eliminate a little bit of fear last week of, goodness gracious, might we see a recession? That's one of the reasons why the market rallied as hard as it did. Meanwhile, I would just note that the 10-year Treasury is down to 3.64% for a level. That is the lowest level in about 12 months. Once again, the bond market indicating that it thinks that the pace of rate cuts will be fairly aggressive from here. And in fact, the market pricing in somewhere between 25 to 50 basis points for the Fed meeting on Wednesday. It'll be very interesting to see that Fed meeting on Wednesday, to see exactly what they say about risks to the economy, as well as, do they cut 25 basis points? Do they cut 50 basis points? And what do they say about the pace of rate cuts for the rest of the year? So sort of all eyes on the Fed on Wednesday. With that, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us or to your advisor. I hope you're having a great day, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.